In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I find legit cash buyers with this site called Connected Investors. Now, this is not a sponsored video, all right? I actually use this software in my business because it gives me the recent cash buyers and I can get their contact information as well. So listen, let me show you exactly how I do it. All right, so this is a software that I use to find buyers, man, nationwide. And what I like about this software is it gives you recent cash buyers. You can break it down to land, you can break it down to houses, multifamily, trailer parks. It's got some dope features, but yo, let's check it out. Now, also, before we get into this, I'm gonna run the promo code on my screen. Also look in the description. You'll get a 7-day free trial plus 50 free skips just during the free trial. So you want to check this out. All right, so look, right, if I'm looking for cash buyers, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go down to arrow, it says find deals, right? And I'm gonna hit buyer search, okay? Now, obviously I was just looking for some buyers here, but I'm gonna clean this out. So what I'm gonna do is just put in the zip code and I'm going to click on it. This automatically defaults to the last 6 months. So I'm not looking for a guy who bought a property cash 5 years ago when he got the property for $30,000, $40,000. I'm looking for recent cash buyers, and this gives me this, right? Now, let me show you this, right? Now, of course, I gotta block out the name and the address because YouTube will flag this video, and I don't want that. But let's click on this, right? What I will have to do, right? I can go to contact info, okay? I can then see if they have his information. Now, for LLCs, as of right now, the platform is not skip tracing those. So I can pull this data and take it to another platform and get a skip trace, like bigskiptracing.com. Okay, I can do that. They have a trust, so I won't be able to get their information, but what I can do is I can download all this information, right? And by me downloading, select all 59 items, all right? By me downloading all this information, I can save this, I can take it to another platform and get a skip trace. Now, if it's something in their personal name, then I can get their phone number from here. Now, check this out, right? I'm gonna deselect all. I'm gonna put on some filters, right? They automatically put on the last 6 months, which is good because you want recent cash buyers and not cash buyers from 4 years ago. But let me put on vacant land, right? But so in this particular area, there's nobody who's been buying vacant land. So I'm here locally in this area. A lot of people just knock down properties and then build up. So I can see it not being no vacant land sales in the last 6 months. But let's check out another zip code. 1 second. So this is another zip code in Charlotte. So this person right here, right? As far as this skip trace button, all I gotta do is hit the skip trace button and give them a call. And now I got a real cash buyer they bought in the last 6 months and I can pitch them my property, okay? So all I have to do is hit that, all right? And if you subscribe, you get 2,500 skips included. Come on, bro, included. So that's how I would do that. Right? This person, let's see if they had their contact info. No contact information for this person, but so I can just download this, or I can just download him, single, or I can download the whole list. But being that the skip trace is included, what I can get their phone numbers from in here, I don't need to save them. You know what I mean? But let's say I do need to save, I will hit save search. I will name this cash buyers, whatever. And, then I can put a description of whatever it is. Let's go to filters now. And let me put on some filters. Okay, so I want some vacant land. In the last month, this one person bought some vacant land in here. And this is his holdings. Okay, this is his holdings and everything else. And all I gotta do is give it a call. But this is another, let me show you this. Let me show you this dope tool, right? I can also do everybody who got a townhouse. So whatever I put on through the filters, this is vacant land and townhouse, okay? I can do vacant land, townhouse, condo, you know, and it's all stacked up you know what I mean? So this is what I like. It's not one or the other, okay? You can do bedrooms, baths, square footage, which I don't really care. Now this, let's say that I reset it this, right? And let's say that I want people who bought properties under $300,000, right? Then I could just click here. I got 66 people to choose from. Okay, so that's how you can find real cash buyers in minutes. All right, so what I want you to do at this point, I want you to go to this site, duruleads.com. They're gonna give you 7-day free trial. Sign up for it, man. It's a dope product, bro. Hey, listen, right now, click on this video next to me. I'm Nasa, aka the real estate guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a doer because I actually do the business. Peace.